Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my foundation. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So the texture of my skin ranges from very dry to very oily. It does change with the seasons, so it depends on how your face is. But mine, as you can tell, I have pimples all over. My eczema is showing even more, and then my nose, very large pores. So this is what fits me. You can try it out and see if it fits you. And I'm going to be using the e.l.f. correcting blemish, and it's in a green, and I just like to put it in spots like my big pimple that you see here, where I have my redness that shows up a little bit more, and where I have my pores that are bigger. And also, don't mind that my stick is very dirty. That's just how I have it. So just go ahead and generously apply it to the areas that you think you need a little bit more coverage. So now I'm going to blend with my sponge, but of course you can use a brush or even your fingers. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. setting spray to spray my sponge a little or a lot, and then I'm going to be using it like that to blend where I put that green on top of wherever I needed more coverage. Now I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer to prime my face. Make sure you guys apply this very generously all over your face, and it's going to feel a little bit tacky, but that just means that it's working, because the more tacky that it is, the more that it grips onto your foundation. Now I'm getting my concealer and I'm going to apply it under my eyes, and then I'm also going to be applying it on the same spots that I think I need a little bit more coverage, which is basically anywhere I put on that green stick, blemish control stick. And then after I leave that on for a couple of seconds, sometimes it varies, it can be from like 10 seconds up to a minute, I like to go ahead, get that sponge again, and then start blending it in. Make sure when you're blending that you guys are very careful with your skin. Don't tug at it, don't pull at it, just tap, 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 tap. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my foundation, and I'm going to apply this again, tap, tap, tap. Don't tug at it, don't go very harsh over it, just tap, slightly tap. You just want to basically damp it into your skin. And then if you don't want to use a sponge, you can always go ahead and use the foundation brush, and that gives you a little bit more of a photo finish kind of Photoshop look, but I prefer the sponge because it gives me that little bit of control of the covering those little areas that I feel that the actual brush doesn't cover. Now I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit more of concealer, and I'm going to apply it again in the areas that I feel I wasn't able to cover. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then of course blend it in again with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I get the kabuki brush and just go ahead and kind of make like a swipe motion from in to out, but again, don't do it in a harsh way, just slightly brush it off your face. And now I'm going to get the e.l.f. setting spray and spray my whole face. And of course I have a little guest here. Now this is the final product, you guys. What do you guys think? So this is the way that I like applying my foundation, especially when I want a lot of coverage in those areas like my eczema, my pimples. That's what I do. It just depends on what you want to do. You can also do your eyebrows afterwards, your eyeshadow, lipstick, lip liner, or just lip gloss. Of course, contouring, bronzing, blush, and make sure you blend to your neck. Don't just do like the circle around your face, go all the way to your neck. And of course, thank you guys so much. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, night, morning, wherever you're at. Again, thank you guys. Bye.